What's up, everyone? So, what is blackwork tattoo style and what you should know about it? I would say it is more tattoo type than tattoo style, but because of the Google search engine that shows it is a tattoo style, I decided to add it next to tattoo styles. Why it is tattoo type? It is because blackwork is more technical aspect of tattooing that says it is done using only solid black tattooing. Every line work and shading is done using different type of techniques to achieve the best possible outcome of any design. This tattoo type is the oldest type of tattooing, and I would say it is godfather of all the tattoo cultures, starting from ancient tribe cultures, ending with new artistic blackwork expressions in new days. In these days, this type of tattoos includes tattoo styles like blackout, line work, dot work, abstract, fine line, tribal, Polynesian, lettering, brutal, and many more interpretations. It is so cool to see what can be achieved with just the black ink and various application techniques. One of my favorite artists who does black work is Muchacho Navaya. He is from Spain, I think. Sorry if I spelled your name wrong. He does really sick black work. Go and check him out on Instagram. Really dope work he does. Now, back to characteristics. One of the biggest pluses of these tattoos are that they have the biggest contrast on the skin. And that's why it is the most common tattoo type that can be used on darker skin tones to achieve easy readable tattoos. Easy readable means that you can easily understand design that has been tattooed. And another great characteristic is, of course, depending on tattoo style and quality of work, they have the longest life. That means they age really nice and will be readable for many years. But one of the biggest minuses of this style is that every solid packed black ink next to the clear skin, ink will bleed with the years. Bleed is slang word. That means the part where black ink ends and clear skin starts, it will blur out and won't be as sharp as it was when it was just done. It happens because of the concentrated amount of pigment that has been penetrated in the skin with the years will spread in the clear skin, and that is why it will look blurry. More pigment, more spreading. Less pigment, less spreading. It doesn't mean that now you need to avoid solid packed pigment. No, not at all. It is still one of the most important parts of doing solid and clear tattoos. Basically, that's all you need to know about blackwork. Of course, I will explain every blackwork style separately, how to recognize them and what are the main characteristics. But for now I will say that's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, activate notifications so you don't miss upcoming series, and share with your friends and family so more people can find out what they need to know before, during and after their tattoo session. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Peace out.